Tools panel. So in between our project panel and our timeline panel, in between is our tools panel. Now, if you hover over each one here, you'll see, oh, they turn blue when you pick them. When you hover over them, it will tell you which one it is. It's the selection tool, the ripple edit tool. So they tell you it's a razor tool. So it'll tell you which one it is, and you can type, etc. These are used quite often. I mean, these are very, very much used. So you need to kind of remember where they're at. Okay, so we'll learn these tools in particular, how to use them in later videos. But you do have to remember this is where they're stored at. And they're kind of placed in between here for a reason, because we're going back and forth, and therefore you tend to use these tools.